morning, afternoon, wherever you're watching. You're welcome back once again to the Making Masterclass, a channel solely dedicated to demystifying mathematics, making complex problems look easy. Come along. Can you solve this question without using a calculator? Root 27 plus root 32 all over root 18. Let me show you how to do that. Now, the first thing to do is break each of them down to a number you can take the square root. Now, 27 can be broken down as root 9 times 3. Root 9 times root 3. Plus, these can be broken down as root 16 times 2. 16 times 2 over root 18 can be broken down as root 9 times 2. 9 times 2. Now, square root of 9, which number will I take? Multiply twice, that will give me 9. That's the square root of 9, which is 3. So this is root 9. You can split it times root 3 plus root 16 times root 2 all over root 9 times root 2. So square root of 9 is 3. So we have 3 times root 9. That's 3 root 9 is 3. 3 root 3 here plus square root of 16 is 4. So we have 4 root 2 all over square root of 9 is 3. 3 root 2. Now, the first thing to do for us to simplify this, break it down, we take the conjugate. Because a surd is the denominator, we take the conjugate. Now, what do we mean by that? We use the surd that is underneath it to multiply up and down, the numerator and the denominator. So we have that this is times 3 root 2 all over 3 root 2, because 3 root 2 times 3 divided by 3 root 2 is 1. So now let's multiply. So we have 3 times this, 3 root 3 times 3 root 2. So 3 times 3 is 9. So we have 9 root 6. Root 3 times root 2, root 6. Now plus 4 times 3, you have 12. 12 times root 2 times root 2 is root 4. Root 4, square root of 4 is 2. So 12 times 2 over. Now root 3 times 3 times 3, that's 9. 9 times root 2 times root 2 again is 2. So 9 times 2, that's 18. So we have that 9 root 6 plus 12 times 2 is 24 over 9 times 2 is 18. Now something can divide. You can split it together. So this is 9 root 6 over 18 plus 24 over 18. 9 and 18, 9 can divide. So 9 here 1, 9 here 2. So we have, this is root 6 over 2 plus, now 24 and 18, 6 can divide. 6 here, 6 times 3, 18, 6 times 4, 24. So 4, that's plus 4 over 3. So you can leave your answer like this, or you can simplify it further by taking the LCM, and that is also, but we can leave our answer like this: root 2 over 4, root 6 over 2 plus 4 over root 3. I hope you have enjoyed the solving of today, and you're able to get how to resolve a surd question without a calculator. If you enjoyed today's class, why not give us a like, give us a share, tell your friends about the Making Masterclass, a channel solely dedicated to demystifying mathematics, making complex problems look easy. And if there's any aspect of mathematics you are struggling with, put in the comment section. I'll be there to attend to you. If you're here to subscribe, please kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on wonderful content on the channel. To meet again in the next Making Masterclass. Keep practicing. Remember, mathematics is fun. See you at the top. Shalom.